Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Ford Focus Ghia Sedan, stock reference number 5553. This shape runs from the 6th month 2005 through to the 4th month 2009. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 3 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, tidy rear bumper cover, boot lid appears to have no damage, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 2 small dents, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with tan leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor and the instrument cluster.